A lot of people think you need millions of views to make money on YouTube, but that's not true. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 rare ways I personally make money on YouTube in the exact order they started paying me. No theory and not hype. And the best part, some of these do not require monetization. Let's get into it. The very first way I made money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means I recommend a product or service, and when someone buys through my link, I earn a commission. For example, tools I use, software I genuinely recommend, and services my audience actually needs. The reason affiliate marketing works so well is simple. People come to YouTube to learn and solve real problems. So instead of saying buy this, I show them how to use it, and the money follows. Here's a tip for beginners. You don't really need a big audience to make money through affiliate marketing. You need the right audience. It will interest you to know that the very first commission I earned through affiliate marketing was 50 cents. And I earned that amount when I was under 100 subscribers. Here's how I promote affiliate products. So if I'm going to show you how to make a website, I will let you know that you need a domain name and a web hosting, which is a standard for every website. So what I do is that I partner with a service provider so that they will give me a special link, which I'll put in the description of my video. So if you want to follow along with the tutorial in order to make your website, and you decide to get a domain name and web hosting through my affiliate link, that is where I earn a commission. The second way through which I made money on YouTube is by running web design services. This one surprised a lot of people. As a matter of fact, I didn't start YouTube to get web design clients, but YouTube turned me into one. I was already making websites for clients since 2011 before the idea of YouTube came. By teaching things like website setup, online businesses, and WordPress tutorials, people started asking, can you build this for me? That's when I realized YouTube is not just a platform, but a trust machine. A single video can bring clients for months. Even if you don't do web design, this applies to graphic design services, video editing, consulting, and any digital skill. It will interest you to know that the web design services I rendered through my channel has paid me more than the rest of the 4 ways I make money on YouTube. The third way through which I started making money on YouTube was through YouTube partnership, that is ad revenue. Yes, ads do pay. But let's be honest, ad revenue came after I was already making money through the platform. Once I joined the YouTube Partner Program, ads started running on my videos, and I earned from views over time. Even though ad revenue was the best reason why I joined YouTube, this income is more like a passive support money and not the main meal. Think of it as extra income that rewards consistency. The third way through which I make money on YouTube is by selling digital products. This is where things started scaling. Instead of trading time for money, I created templates. I make them once and they can sell over and over again. The best part, YouTube already warms people up. By the time someone clicks on my product link, they already trust me, and that's powerful. I have 2 different channels through which I sell digital products. On this very channel, I sell website templates on my website, and on my other channel, that is Template Warriors, I sell templates like posters, letterheads, certificates, accounting templates, and many more. And all the templates I sell on Template Warriors, I demonstrate by teaching my audience how they can create the very same template. At the end of the day, I package it and sell it on my website. And what I do is I put the product link to the particular product under the very specific video. The fifth and final way through which I make money on YouTube is through sponsorships. Sponsorships came last, and that's important. Brands don't just look at subscriber counts. They care about niche, engagement, and audience trust. Even with a small channel, if your audience is focused, brands will notice. And no, you don't need to accept every single brand deal. Only promote what aligns with your content and values. As someone who is a WordPress developer, I make tutorials on WordPress themes and plugins. So if a brand wants to partner with me to demonstrate how to use their plugin, that is where I get paid. Why I gave you the order starting from 1 to 5 matters. Notice something? I didn't wait to be big before making money. I solve problems, build trust, and monetize naturally. And that's the YouTube game. most people don't talk about. If you are starting YouTube and wondering how to make money without chasing viral videos, this is the blueprint. If you want a step-by-step breakdown of any of these streams, let me know in the comments. I hope you found value from today's video. If you did, kindly click on the like button. It does help me out. Subscribe if you are new here and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss my future videos. In the meantime, stick around to watch another video from the channel. Keep watching and we will talk soon.